Square and Bill.com, two titans in the world of payments and business management. One big question: which one actually makes your business run smoother? On the left, Square, famed for easy payments and point of sale. And on the right, Bill.com, known for streamlining bills and invoicing like never before. We're stacking them up against real scenarios that matter for entrepreneurs: payment processing, invoicing, integrations, cost, and user experience. Forget the hype and jargon, we're diving into what actually impacts your workflow. Each category scores points, and you'll see exactly which tool delivers real value. The winner could surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today: pricing, core features, integrations, automation, usability, team collaboration, and ideal business types. That's pretty much every angle a business owner should care about. So let's dive right into pricing first. Let's talk pricing. Square's all about simplicity, right? Flat rate fees, no monthly contract, plus you get a free POS app. For real, it's so hassle-free that you almost forget anything extra costs more. Bill.com, meanwhile, monthly fees plus payment fees. Sure, their pricing slides a bit for bigger volumes and you get free payer accounts, but for a small business, Square is just way easier on the wallet. Core features: OK, Square has tons of goodies for small businesses, built-in POS, hardware, payroll, even appointments if you need them, which is honestly pretty awesome. The accounting side is kinda basic though, so you might need to export stuff for more advanced reporting. Here, where Bill.com flexes: crazy automation for AP/AR, multi-way approvals, deep integrations with accounting platforms. But it's not a full all-in-one suite. If you're dreaming of retail or actual POS, they don't do that. Integration time: you want your tools to talk, right? Square's solid with marketplaces and connects to QuickBooks and Xero via Zapier, but some of those fancy accounting syncs don't go super deep. Bill.com gets serious here: genuine two-way sync with QuickBooks and Xero, plus ERPs and bank integrations. If you're into POS or e-commerce though, Bill.com is kinda meh. Still, for accounting nerds, it wins. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Square was founded by one of Twitter's co-founders? Meanwhile, Bill.com cranked out over $225 billion in payments just last year. Wild, right? Now, automation. Square honestly does the basics, recurring billing and such, but there's a bunch of manual entry for expenses or AP. Bill.com, it goes full turbo. Automatic invoice capture, scheduled payments, approval workflows, even AI-powered data extraction. Setup's not the easiest, but once you're rolling, wow. Usability: if you want something that almost anyone can jump into, Square's really smooth, very non-accountant friendly, fast onboarding, works great on mobile. But customization is a bit light. On the flip side, Bill.com gives you power, custom workflows, tight finance controls. But yeah, expect a bit of a learning curve, not the easiest for total beginners. Team collaboration: Square, it's honestly best for tiny teams like those mom-and-pop shops. Multi-user controls are kinda limited. Bill.com, by comparison, is built for teams. You get role-based permissions, audit trails, approval layers, the works. Sure, the collab is mostly around bills and accounts, but if you've got more people handling finance, Bill.com seriously shines. Ideal business types: Square is loved by retailers, food places, service pros, anyone who needs simple payments quickly. But if you're a bigger company with complex finance needs, it feels a bit light. Bill.com fits growing SMBs, finance teams, think legal, property, health, especially those drowning in bills. Don't expect it to run a retail store, but for corporate stuff, it's great, honestly. This one's kind of a tie, depending on what you do. Let's check out the radar chart. You can really see Square dominating in usability and pricing, while Bill.com pulls way ahead for automation, collaboration, and deep accounting integrations. The strengths are totally different depending on what your business actually needs. So, if you're a small business wanting easy payments and integrated tools, honestly, Square is the way to go. But if you need hardcore bill automation, big team finance features, or deep accounting syncs, Bill.com wins hands down. Both solid, but for today, Bill.com gets the crown for overall power, especially if you're not just running a tiny shop. Did this help you pick your winner? Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on expert business tool breakdowns like this.